Whitman Shorthand New Course and Key Exercise number 61. Get ready. Start. This simple device saves you many hours of toil. Full stop. Just fill in the attached from below and post it to us, comma, or apply to your local dealer for details of this useful article. Full stop. Please supply me with a few samples of cloth in blue and black, comma, which would be suitable for autumn suits. Full stop. I should be obliged if you would include a couple of samples each of single and double widths. Full stop. Please deliver to us as early as possible 50 copies of the book entitled inverted comma start clothes and how to make them. Full stop. Inverted comma close. These are to be supplied at a total cost of 20 guineas in comma including delivery. Full stop. We are pleased to know that you will be able to deliver some of the tables by the 1st of January, comma, and that you expect to supply the rest in 2 weeks. Full stop. We shall be obliged if you will get enough to us by the 1st to enable us to make a special display of them. Full stop. I believe that many of the articles in this sale should be especially valuable to you. Full stop. For the first time in the history of the store, comma, we are able to make them available at a reasonably low cost, comma, and I urge you to call and inspect them as soon as you possibly can. Full stop. Do not wait till it is too late. Full stop. Exercise number 62. Get ready. Start. I called the house several times, comma, and inasmuch as each time I was unable to get any reply, comma, I think that these people were away and the house was closed. Full stop. You have not replied to our note of 4th February asking for a check for the goods supplied to you on 12th November. Full stop. We would like to know why you have not settled this bill. Full stop. If you wish to place your furs in cold storage, we can call for them and deliver them to you when you tell us to do so. Full stop. Our charges are most reasonable. Full stop. Let us store them for you and you will have nothing to worry about. Full stop. Most people have believed in the past that it was necessary to pay a lot of money for a good publicity. Full stop. No doubt they were right. Full stop. But we can tell you now that it is not at all necessary to pay much for a good article, comma, as we have just put on the market our easy rest city, comma, which is available for only a few guineas, full stop. Please tell us what the cost would be of a safe about 4 feet high and with a capacity of about 40 cubic feet, full stop. The cost should include delivery to this building, full stop. Exercise number 63. Get ready. Start. In the belief that you will wish to stop at a simple but pleasant hotel, we have sent to you today a copy of our recently issued booklet, full stop. Next para. The total charge for a couple per week is only 10 guineas, full stop. This rate includes a double room, full stop. Single rooms are 5 guineas and up, full stop. Our fare is simple but good, full stop. Pupil tell us that our table is first class, full stop. They say, comma, indeed, comma, that it has no equal, full stop. We doubt that it is unequaled, comma, but we do know that we use only the best foods and that our charges are quite reasonable. We make no charge at all for golf or swimming, full stop. Exercise number 64. Get ready. Start. We enclose a booklet which gives details of our plate glass window insurance, full stop. When you renew your insurance, we believe it will pay you to take out this type of policy, full stop. Next para. You will note that we are able to give you specially useful service, full stop. As soon as we receive your claim, we replace the glass, full stop. Your claim is settled without delay, comma, and a check large enough to pay for all the damage, comma, including any damage to your window display, comma, is sent to you, full stop. Exercise number 65. Get ready. Start. The newspaper tries to bring to its readers the truth and nothing but the truth, full stop. We are sorry to have to trouble you, comma, but we notice that you have charged £22 10 S6D for your catalogue item number 463, which you supplied to us on 16th October, full stop. In your price list, the item is listed at £21 10 S6D, full stop. A credit of £1 is thus due to us, full stop. This is evidently an error in building, full stop. Thank you for bringing to our notice the error in the bill of 16th October for 4 oak chairs, full stop. We are enclosing our credit note for £1 and we apologize for the trouble to which we have put you, full stop. Dear sir, comma, we are glad to know that you wish to be a member of our club, full stop. As manager of the club, comma, I wish you to feel at liberty to use our facilities until you are elected a member, full stop. Your name is to be proposed next week, full stop. Yours truly, comma.